Taizhou Golden Choice Sewing Machine Company Limited is located in Taizhou. We have an associated factory, which is one of the major base of research and production of industrial sewing machines in the world at Zhejiang Province of China. With very convenient transportation, about 160 kilometers far from Ningbo, and about 400 kilometers far from Shanghai Seaport. We focus on high-end machines only, specialize in supplying all kinds of sewing machine, cutting machines, and finishing equipment, etc., providing one-stop solution for garment factories. Choice products have been exporting to more than 100 countries and regions in Europe, Asia, Africa, North and Latin America, and are welcomed with great popularity. Better choice, better clothing. Golden Choice Company has been adhering to the idea of quality is the strong weapon to win the market, and committing to using innovative technology to create high-class clothing for the users. Choice products are certified by ISO 9001 Quality Management System and CE standards. In order to gratify customers' requirements, we have established a strict quality control system. Comprehensive measures are implemented from initial material inspection to final checking before packing, warehousing, and delivery. Golden Choice people will redouble their efforts to provide more excellent products and service to the users from domestic and abroad. Welcome to cooperate with us. Golden Choice, your best choice.